Hey Queen, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. I'm here with a requested video. This is the Yibo Spring Twist Hair. As you know, at this current moment, Yibo is not offering the Spring Twist Hair as a crochet style. So what I've done for myself and also for some clients is to turn this hair into crochet hair so the installation can be a bit quicker. So this hair, I'm doing the short method. I'm actually going to be using this to make a wig. I will probably do a giveaway for the wig. If so, I will put it in my Instagram and also probably make another video on it. So make sure that you guys subscribe and also jump over to Instagram and follow me so you won't miss out on it. And no, this wig will not be in the final results on this video. I'm so sorry. I'm still working on it. Like, I just do this in my spare time. So I'm sure I won't have finished by the time I actually post this video. So basically, to turn the hair into crochet, you only need a few things: a clean straw and some tape. To be honest, that's all you need. And you want to use something like a straw because you want the loops to be the right size, and a general standard straw is about the right size you need for it to be looped. So as you see, I just have the hair on my rack that I use like for holding hair. I've taped the straw to it and I wrap the hair around the straw, and then I just twist it. I don't do it like what do you call those, Havana twists and stuff like that, where you twist the strands individual and then twist those around one another. That's not this, okay? If you do that, then you just have Havana twist with spring twist hair. If you want to know more about specific details on how to twist this hair, I do have a video already up about the Yibo Spring Twist hair. It's just that one I'm doing individual hair and not crochets. So if you want to know more about that, like I said, go check that video out. I'll make sure to put that up in the suggested videos at the top of the screen so you can watch that when you're done watching this one. Anyway, I'm not going to talk throughout this video. I'm going to put on some fly music and let you queens just watch, okay? And if you have any questions about it, just hit me up in the comments. Thanks again for watching. Thank you for all your love and support. Peace and blessings.